guys, I am back with the video. Don't mind all of this. I have been out running errands and everything today, and I decided that I'm going to show you my huge haul of what I got from Ulta. Okay, so I got some stuff from Ulta. Okay, let's start first. I was looking for a moisturizer for my face, and this is the Mario Badescu Peptide Renewal Cream, which has the hyaluronic acid in it. This is going to moisturize my skin and make it feel really, really good. Next, I got some L'Oreal Infallible Magic Pigments. This one is in the color Wink Wink Pink Pink, and this is a lip pigment for easy blending. I wonder if you can use this. Oh no, not for use in eye area. I actually thought that this was for my eyes, but oh well, wasn't reading. Too excited. And I actually got this on sale. It was $12.99. I got it for $2.99. Got another one. This is a Infallible Magic Pigment, and it says powder to cream texture. Yeah, for easy blending. Same thing, and this is in the color Disobedience. Okay, okay, very cute. And did I get another one? No, I didn't. Okay, then I also picked up a couple, which is two of the Python metal lip ensembles. I don't even know how these look in the inside, but I think I remember seeing Jamie Genevieve, I think that's her name, on YouTube, use these. And this one is in number 40, which is Untamed. And then this one is in number 25, and it's called Valiant. And what you do is, apparently you put your lip color on, and then you put the metallic powder on. So yes, this is in this one. This one is like a purpley color. Let's open this bad boy up. This one is like a purpley color, and if I can get it out of here, there we go. This one is a purpley color, and it has like oh, so pretty. So yeah, a purpley color with the shimmery lip topper, and then slide that back in its place. And then here we go with the other one. This is the one that I really wanted to try out. Like, this is the one that made me pick this up. And these were also $10.99 regularly, and then I got them for $2.99. It's like a grayish color with what is this? Like a really pretty green, like iridescent green to go on top. I don't know when I'm gonna wear her, but she gonna get worn somewhere. And the color kind of looks black actually on the packaging, so we shall see. We shall see. Okay, the next thing that I picked up is the ColourPop Brow Boss, and I got this in the color dark brown. I needed a new brow pencil, and I really wanted Morphe, and I thought that Morphe actually sold their brow pencils at Ulta. They don't, so yeah. Next thing I got, clearance section. We'll do all clearance first. Okay. Next thing I got was an Infallible Paints liquid eyeliner. This one again was $10.99, and I got her in this turquoise color that is called, what is that color? Whoa. It don't even say. What is that? I don't know. She's just a turquoise. It's just this intense color. Wait, maybe the sticker is over her. Intrepid Teal. Yep, Intrepid Teal. Okay. Gonna have to try her out with something. I don't know either. Maybe I wear all this shit together. Then as far as drugstore is concerned, I picked up my favorite right now foundation. It's the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Full Coverage Foundation. This is in the shade Mocha. And as you can see, I needed a new one. Like, talk about hitting pan. Okay. And I really love this because I've also been wearing, if you've seen some of my faves, I told you that the NYX was my fave. It was my absolute fave of 2018. And I love that I just didn't have it to use in the video. And I was using the Maybelline Fit Me's, and I was putting number 368 and 355 together. One was matte and one was dewy. And if I tell you, first of all, that was the most horriblest thing I could have ever done, because my face was still like up and through here. Like, I looked like I had been running a damn marathon. I was sweating. It just looked a mess. I looked, talk about dewy my ass. I looked like I was wet, okay? Like, I just was, I don't know. So, okay. So after that, I just picked up 2 more brushes. This is going to be the M518 brush by Morphe. I really, really love this brush. I actually have it right. Oh, this is the 511. I thought I had this one. I guess I don't. Oh, I didn't have this one. I thought I did. Anywho, I wait. Bam, it's this brush. Pardon her, she's kind of dirty. But yes, I love this brush. It's like a really good blending brush, you know. So I got her, I picked her up. And then I also picked up the Precision Pencil Crease Brush, the M431 brush. It's like a bullet brush. Let me take it out of the packaging. Like, I don't know what I'm doing. You know, this is like a total unboxing kind of thing. And I do have one more surprise for you guys, because she was not part of Ulta. But this is what the brush looks like. It's like going to be a really good, like, in there type brush, you know? Like, to get in those creases when you really want to darken up that before you do a cut crease. That's what I'm thinking I'm using that for. So that's what I'm using her for. Okay. Then I also picked up, okay, the 35V palette by Morphe, y'all. Like, y'all don't know, ever since I went to Vegas and I just went in that Miracle Mall and went shopping, like, I really did her up, okay? So they got some more of my money, okay? And this is what this one looks like if you haven't seen it. This really isn't the one that I was really looking for. I was looking for the other one, the bigger one, but I forget what the number of that one is. But she's very pretty. She's very bright. And I actually bought her specifically for these rows. Like, I'm sure I'm going to wear these other colors. You know what I'm saying? Let me take this off. I'm pretty sure I'm going to wear these other colors, you know. But these blues and this mauve, these mauves here just really did something for me. I feel like I have some of these in these lighter colors and other, you know, palettes. But I don't feel like I have these type of blues and the green here. I just didn't feel like I had these. And I don't know, when I looked at the palette, I even have to swatch it because Morphe has been consistent to me. So I wanted this palette. And then for me, Morphe is not expensive. It's very inexpensive, but it gives you, you know, higher end quality. So the next thing that I got was, I've never tried Tarte Shape Tape, and I said I wanted to try it, but I didn't know if I wanted to be committed to it. So I went and got the one that they have for like 10 bucks. So, and this one is Deep 53N, and she's this small, like really cute. Like, so then the next thing that I purchased, I got, and these are the last 2 items that I purchased from Ulta. And I actually went and got color matched by someone named Hector. And Hector was fabulous, okay? And Hector did his thing. And at first I wanted to go in with the Tarte Shape Tape, and for some reason, like, Hector was fabulous, and maybe it was just the simple fact that maybe he did work for Lancome and he was trying to push Lancome, but it's still something that I wanted to purchase anyway, and it's something that I wanted to buy anyway. But I was gonna go with the Too Faced Born This Way or the Tarte Shape Tape Foundation. And this one is one that everybody has been talking about probably since 2017, early 2018 or something like that. So I went for the Lancome, and let me take it out because I know, oh, let me turn it around. So this is called the Lancome La Base Pro, and it's the Perfecting Makeup Primer to a smoothing effect, and it's oil free. So for what he told me when I tried it, it kind of felt silicone-y, which sometimes I actually like, but it's gonna make, because I have I get oily here and then the T-zone and then dry everywhere else. So he told me that it was gonna make everything just be like a matte, and it's also a pore minimizer. So that's what I needed, because like I started to see pores up in here and I'm not having it. And this is actually the actual big one. I think was $35, but I got this is, and this one is for all skin types, and I actually got this one, which was $20, and this was the half fluid ounce. And you know, he told me just a little bit goes a long way. So yes, she should have this for a minute as long as I have this next product. So I really went in knowing that I was gonna, you know, go in and try to venture out into, I've done the MAC. Nothing against MAC, I love MAC, but I feel like I wanted to try something lighter that was gonna match my skin tone a little bit more. And since I'm at home, I'm gonna go ahead and try it out. Let me grab a brush. Let's grab this stick of it. Okay, and I got the Tint Idole Ultra Wear Oxidate Sunscreen. This is the broad spectrum SPF 15 up to 24-hour cool color, wear, and comfort, transfer resistant, and it's for all types. And I am the shade 500 Suede. Okay, helps prevent sunburn, is used as directed, yada yada yada. Okay, this is what she's looking like. She's very cute. Okay, okay, so let's just see, like, you know, if she was it's a problem. Let's just see if she matched, because she matched me, like, she matched perfect. So let's just see. Give her a couple of, oops. And that's all I'm gonna do, because she was not cheap. Honey. Yes. She's still looking like she was looking. Now I'm just going to keep this on for a little while, just to see if she oxidizes, you know. But what I will say, no primer. What I will say, she kind of looks like she smoothed out my skin. Not smoothed it, but like blurred. You can see why everybody liked her, you know. Yes. Okay, so I can say that I am happy with that purchase. Like, you know, you go to the store, you tell them to match you, and then all of a sudden you come back looking like something else. Okay. But this is just, you know, showing you my haul, letting you know what I picked up, and then I will do a makeup tutorial with these products. I'm just so happy. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.